lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and today I have an exciting nail tutorial for you. Very easy to create this look. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the products that I'm going to be using today for the nail tutorial. I have a base coat by AIMEILI. I think that's how you say it. Then I have the top coat. Then by Sinful Colors, I have this beautiful fuchsia polish. It's called Foley. The glitter is called Sweet Tooth, and it's by my company, GlamourEyesByChar. I'll be starting by applying the base coat to my nails. You don't want too thick a layer. Make sure you don't get it on your skin because it might burn you once you put it under the lamp. This is a lamp that I'll be using, and I'll be letting my nails cure for 60 seconds. And in case you're wondering, the lamp is by Sun R9. It's a UV LED nail lamp, and it's 72 watts. I will be applying this beautiful polish by Sinful Colors in the shade Foley. It is beautiful. You want to make sure you seal the ends as well. And I am not a nail tech, you guys, so this is my first time using a lamp, so I'm just sort of winging it. I don't think I sealed this one. I don't remember. There you go. And now for my nub, like my thumb broke. I'm so upset. Like all my other nails are long, and I just have this stupid little nub here. And I should mention that this nail polish is just regular nail polish. It's not gel nail polish, but because I'm using a gel top coat, it still works under the lamp, which is perfect because most of my nail polishes are regular ones and not gel. If you guys know of any good gel nail polishes, please let me know so that I can go ahead and purchase some. You just want to let them dry before you apply your top coat. Do not put your nails under the lamp. It's not going to quite work. Just let them dry naturally. So I'm slightly annoyed because I thought that I was recording, but I was not, apparently. So I'm going to show you again how I applied the glitter. So let's take, I'll just do it on another nail. That's fine. What I did, I just applied it on my nail. Then I took the glitter, and this part is a bit messy, so over the nail, you want to cover it all. You can tap off the excess. And you just want to push down a bit because it's got little spiky pieces, so you want to push it down a little bit. Then I have an eyeshadow brush, so I'm just going to take the excess off around my nail, just sweep it off. Then we're going to set it for 60 seconds under the lamp. Fix up the other nail because they're not matching right now, clearly, because I made a mistake. So yeah, moral of the story is make sure your camera is set to record before you actually start your tutorial. Again, you just want to pat it down. And some of you might be wondering, well, why did she put polish on if she's just going to cover it up? And over time, you know, the glitter starts to fall off. So I didn't want my bare nails showing underneath. So that's why I put color on my fingernail, even though it's going to be covered up. You don't have to do that. At least that way, if some glitter does fall off, it's okay. You're not going to see bare nails. It's your preference. You don't have to. It's up to you. Stick it under the lamp. Since recording the video, I did play around with other polishes and glitters, and for me, I would prefer to put a top coat on top of the glitter. It doesn't dull the sparkle as much, and it does kind of prevent the glitter from falling off. The last step is just to apply some Cuticle Revitalizer Oil. It's by OPI. And it smells like strawberries. It smells so good. So just apply it. Keep those cuticles nice and moisturized. Oh, I hate doing my right hand. I feel so awkward. So awkward. This is the finished look. I'm very happy how they turned out. Very nice. So you don't have to spend a whole bunch to do your nails. You can do them at home and they look just as nice. I'll leave everything that I used in the goodie box down below so that you can take a look. Do your nails from home, saves you a pile of money, and they look just as beautiful. If you'd like more nail tutorials with my glitters, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!